Welcome to Matthew's Test Kitchen. Today we're going to be making Mitarashi Dango. So, simple recipe. We're going to add in glutinous rice flour, 1.5 cups, and we're going to add in 9 tablespoons of water. I'm just going to mix it up until it's the consistency of an earlobe or a nose. That's their official description. You can do it with a spoon or by hand, whichever way makes you feel comfortable. See, now it becomes nice and tacky and feels kind of like an earlobe. A little bit smushier than an earlobe. But it doesn't come and stick to all your hands. It starts pulling off. Makes a nice little ball. And then you'll just pinch off little pieces and you'll roll them up before we basically blanch them in boiling water till they float. Get that bowl nice and clean. Those are finishing. We're gonna start threading 3 of these onto the skewers. So you want them about 1 inch in diameter, just so they're bite size and easy for people to bite. We're gonna make our sauce, and we're gonna start off with a little soy sauce. And I'll have the recipe below. A little apple juice. Good bit of sugar. And then we're gonna take some cornstarch and add some water to it. Incorporate that in, and that's going to be our thickener for our sauce. So once this comes up to a boil and we've melted in our sugar into it, you can see it's got a nice color to it. You know, have that little bit of hint of apple juice flavor in it, so it'll be a little non-traditional. But this will create a really nice glaze. Brown it just a little bit. It's really not a sear, I guess it's more of a browning. And then we'll drizzle it with a little bit of the sauce, and it'll be ready to eat. And you can see now that the sugar's almost all incorporated, it's cleared up, it's not as hazy in the pot. So we just gotta let that go for a minute more until it starts to simmer, and then we can add the cornstarch to thicken it. All right, mix up our cornstarch again. bit left in the bottom of the bowl. I'm gonna add our dango and brown it just a little bit. I just got a little bit of avocado oil in here just to keep them from sticking. All right, we got our dango all browned up. We're gonna baste it with some of our apple soy glaze. Oh, look at that, looks great. So good. That little bit of savoriness from the soy and umami with the little bit of apple juice, it's just so nice. It's just such a well-balanced thing, and the chewiness of the dango is just so wonderful. These would be great to make for a family dinner for dessert, so everybody can hang out and chit chat and make them up and all. Just a great, fun, easy recipe. Thanks for watching. Cheers.